Hello kids, let's learn some 2D shape. These are our shapes. This is black color. It is equal to symbol. Not allowed symbol. Rounded square. Pentagon. L shape. U-turn. Let's know about the color name. These are our colors. It is green color. It is yellow color. Violet. Red color. Orange. Light green color. Let us color the shapes. Green color. It is equal to symbol. Yellow color. It is not allowed symbol. It is violet color. It is rounded square. Red color. It is pentagon. Orange color. It is L shape. Light green color. It is U-turn. Kids, let us recall the shape name and color name once again. It is equal to symbol, green color. Not allowed symbol, yellow color. Rounded square, violet color. Pentagon, red color. L shape, orange color. U-turn, light green color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.